Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. We have to select the project that we want to work on. Then, after we get into the edit menu, we have to tap on the clip that we want to rotate. After we tap on the clip, in the bottom bar we have to find the edit function. We tap on edit, and then in the left bottom left corner there is the rotate button. If you tap on this, the clip is going to be rotated 90 degrees. We can circle on like this and then find the rotation that we like. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.